All right, today we're checking out this heavy-duty wall-mounted can crusher, and I'm going to show you exactly how well it works by actually crushing a can. So my first impression, this thing feels solid. Most of these crushers are made from steel, and that's important because you need something that can handle repeated pressure without bending or breaking. Now let's take a look at the design here. You got a long handle which gives you extra leverage, and that's what makes crushing cans a lot easier. And with one hand, it's also wall mounted, so once you install it, it stays in place and gives you a really stable base to work with. All right, let's test it out. That's actually pretty satisfying. You can see it flattens the can really quickly with just one pull. The leverage from the handle really does most of the work for you. As far as durability goes, this feels like something that's going to last. The all-metal construction and simple design mean there's not a lot that can break over time. Now, the only thing to keep in mind, you do need to mount it, so there's a little setup involved. But once it's up, it's super easy to use. Overall, if you recycle a lot of cans, this is one of those simple tools that actually makes a difference. And honestly, it's kind of fun to use. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show. Make sure you checked out our other videos on here. Hit the likey button, and like always, have a fun day. Adios. Goodbye.